It's April 5th, Monday morning, and we're starting out the month green. Starting out green here, trading futures. Going to show you guys the trades. I started out the morning fighting the trend, and then I thought to myself, wait, what's the number one rule? Don't fight the trend. Why are we fighting the trend? I'm going to show you guys all the fun that happened this morning. The market has just been going straight to the moon. It's up 1.4% right now, and it doesn't seem to really want to slow down just yet. I'm going to talk about it, show you the trades, show you the battle of trying to fight the trend, trying to call the top, and then finally just going, screw it. I'm going to ride the wave. I'm going to ride the trend. I'm going to show you guys all that right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. All right, so the market is open right now. All right, so the market just opened. Futures are booming. You can see last night had that big gap. Gapped up big, pulled back, and then just went to the races from that 4,021 now up there to 4,042. So the market is booming right now. I'm looking for a short opportunity here. I feel like we got to pull back here at some point. So I'm going to put a short here. See if we can't get a short here at the 44 area and get a pullback. The high of that last candle was 46.25 on the 5-minute chart there. So looking for pullback down here to the 40s. There we go. Pulling below my entry now. Short there at the 44.50 area. Looking for this 40s for a pullback here. After this thing just went straight to the moon. There's that big buyer at 42.75. You can see there in level 2. My head's in the way. Big buyer sitting there. I don't know what they are doing, but they are soaking it up right now. I'm going to get out there. I'm not liking how well that's holding that 43 area there. What's going on, guys? If you enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit a like button down below. Let me know in the comments what I could do differently to make these videos more enjoyable for you. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. I'm going to jump in there at 57 here with a stop right below that 56 level. See if you can push above that 59 area. I'm going to put one contract there at 58.50. Should push through 59 here. 59.50, beautiful. Putting one order there, 59.75, and let the final one ride. So we got putting my stop loss at 57.50 on that final contract. Let this one ride. See if we can't get up there into the 60s. So much easier when you ride the trend, huh? So much easier. We'll take it there at 59.75. Put an order there. I'm going to wait. Give it a second. It looks like it wants to blow through there. I'm going to take it there. All right, so we got a nice little short going here. Finally got a short going. That is actually working out. You can see short from the 63s down here to 60.75 now. Looking for low. I like to get into the 59s maybe. I think we can touch 59 area or lower, like down here 60 50s is low so far. So I think if we can get some sellers to come in here and get this going, there's a good possibility of 59s, like down into this area where we pulled back before, or not where we pulled back, but we kind of broke through that previous resistance. Put an order at 60.50, see if we get filled there at 60.50. Trying to ride some momentum here finally for one contract. There we go. 60.50 getting filled. Looking for 59s. Put one there at 60. So we got one contract left now. And we'll get down there to the 59s. 59.75. You can go a little lower. Probably like down here in the low 59s. I'm going to take it there at 59.75. That's still 3 handles. It's pretty much what we need to be doing every trade, 3 handles. So we got one contract left. We'll let this one ride a little bit. See if we can't get a little lower than my entry. put it at a 62 for my stop there. Oh, just booming right back there. Look at that. Had a low of 59.75, and it's just cracking right back up there. All right, so we're going to jump in long here at the 59.50 area. Looking like we might get a bit of a bounce. I'm going to put my stop at the bottom there of that candle, so 58.25. See if this will be able to push back up here to the high of day above that 65 area. I'm going to put one contract there at 61.25 just to lock down some profit here. Getting filled there at 61.25. Still got two contracts left. Going to move my stop half a handle basically. Let's see if we can't ride this push back up. All right, so we timed that dip pretty darn good right now. Pushing up there to the 63.25. And I'm going to see if I can get a fill there at 63.50 just to lock that down here. I might need to move that down one there. So getting filled there, 63.25. We've got one contract left that we're going to basically put here to see if we can't break through that 64 like we were looking for. That's still pretty darn good. Getting 4 handles on that last contract. And we'll see if we can't ride this momentum higher from here and get this party going. It's so much easier. It's literally so much easier once you just stop trying to fight the trend. And that's pretty much all we did. You can see the difference in the last couple trades just by, riding the momentum, riding the trend instead of trying to time the tops and all of that. So much better, much better, much better. I'm going to move this to like here, actually, 61.75. That'll still be 2 handles on that contract if we do get stopped out. Currently at the 63. You can see my entry there, 59.75. So we'll see what happens. Looking for this breakthrough here. She's coming. I'm going to break through that high. It's going to happen. It's going to happen there. You can see the 5-minute chart here a little bit better. That overall setup so far. You can see on the 5-minute chart here that pullback and now retesting that high at the 64s. It's like right there on the fine line. Flirting with disaster. Getting stopped out there. Just locking in that profit there. So now we'll just kind of sit back and wait to see what happens from here. We got that kind of double top right now at that 64 area. So might need some more consolidation here sideways for a little bit before breaking through that level. All right, so we're back in here long right now from the 61.50s. Looking at the 30-minute chart, we've got a big bull flag forming right now. This thing just looks like it just wants to go. You can see here on the 30-minute chart, this bull flag right now wanting to push up there. So we are looking for a push above that 64 area as we've been consolidating. You can see on the 5-minute chart, nice little consolidation there at the 61. So now pushing up there 63. So let's do it, boys and girls. Let's go to the moon here. Looking for a push above 64 on this. You can see that pullback there earlier, the 58s, and then 61 kind of consolidating. So looking for this to push above the 63 level here on this third attempt for this bull flag on the 30-minute chart and really kind of like on the 5-minute chart as well here. So everything kind of lining up for a squeeze up here. There we go. There we go. 64 is coming. Look at that. Just straight up right now. 64.25 is the high of day so far. I'm going to take one fill there at the 63.75 just to lock down some profit. I'd be really surprised if this can't push above 64. Testing, 1, 2, testing high of day, 64.25, getting touched multiple times there. Can she blow through? And there you have it, new high of day. Take another fill there, let the final contract ride here. I'll put my stop there like 62.50. See if we make another leg up here. It's so much easier. I'm telling you guys, it's so much easier when you ride the trend. You know, the trend is your friend, my friends. Look at that comeback, that bounce back from my entry area there at 61s all the way there to 66 now. So there she goes, 65, 67s. Pushing up there, like I said, on that 30-minute chart there. That bull flag. Ding, ding, ding. Off to the races. 67 now. Oh, my baby Jesus. All right, so I'm going to finish the video up here. I'm going to just walk away. It is currently 11:30. We've been trading since 9:30. And it's 5:30 in the morning here in Hawaii. So I'm going to finish it up here. I'm going to walk away green. Start the week on a green note. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. We're up $30 on the day. Good lessons today. Again, just reminding myself to not fight the trend. The trend is your friend, and today was a perfect example of that. Because as you can see, this morning at 9:30, we went from the 37s this morning all the way up now to the 68. So that was a 30 handle move, a $30 move from open to where we're at now. And it's basically just been green, green, green all the way. Had a couple little small pullbacks, but that consolidation there was setting up for that big bull flag on the 30-minute chart. And as you can see on the 30-minute chart, it's literally just been green, 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 green for forever. Forever. So there it is. I'm going to close it out. I'll talk to you guys later on.